tab is the world's first paper tablet PC. Paper tabs represent apps as physical windows working together to create a seamless experience. The location of each paper tab is tracked on a desk through an electromagnetic tracker. Tabs held by the user act like full-screen physical windows. Tabs at arm's reach in the warm zone show thumbnails of documents, while cold tabs that are out of reach show app icons. These apps can be opened by touching them with another paper tab. When a tab is held by the user, its flexible touchscreen allows full editing of its contents. Here we see a user picking up a PDF document by touching one paper tab showing PDF icons with another. The document is opened and navigated by bending the display, allowing the user to flip through its contents without requiring buttons or swipe gestures. Here we see how a user uses a bend gesture to fast forward through a video. The user reverses the action by dog-earing the display in the opposite direction. Here, a user is creating a larger view by placing two paper tabs together. Because the displays are thin, it's very easy for users to draw or drag graphics across multiple tabs as you would with paper. By working together, paper tabs make it easier to work with multiple documents than traditional tablets. Emails are simply opened by touching the inbox tab with an empty tab. A quick dog-ear creates a reply. Attaching a photo is as straightforward as tapping the reply with the photo. The email is sent by placing it in the outbox. In Paper Tab, each app is a tablet.